Unlocking the future. Indefinite pronouns in future tense. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of English grammar. We're going to explore indefinite pronouns and how we use them in the future tense. It's an important area for English learners to master, so let's get started. Before we delve into the future tense, let's quickly recap what indefinite pronouns are. Indefinite pronouns are pronouns that refer to one or more unspecified persons or things. These include words like someone, everyone, no one, anyone, anything, nothing, everything, and so on. Now that we have refreshed our understanding of indefinite pronouns, let's see how they work with verb tenses. The key point to remember is that indefinite pronouns are usually treated as singular. This means that they take singular verbs. For instance, we say, everything is ready, not, everything are ready. Alright, let's dive into the core of our lesson today, indefinite pronouns in the future tense. As we discussed earlier, indefinite pronouns are generally treated as singular, and this holds true even when we're talking about the future. Here are a few examples. Anyone will be able to do it. Nothing will change my mind. Something will happen soon. In each of these sentences, we use will with the base form of the verb, just as we would when referring to a singular noun in the future tense. Now, it's your turn. Here are some practice sentences. Try to complete them with the correct form of the verb in brackets. 1. Everything, be, all right tomorrow. 2. Someone, call, you later. 3. Nobody, no, the results until next week. The answers are: everything will be all right tomorrow. Someone will call you later. Nobody will know the results until next week. Well done, everyone. We've learned how to use indefinite pronouns in the future tense. Remember, these pronouns are mostly singular, and thus they take the singular form of the verb, even in the future tense. Keep practicing, and you'll soon master it. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Happy learning!